Let's go forward. Backwards. Now reverse mode. Let's see how it looks in the dark. All lights are perfect. In order to activate the Bluetooth, simply press the band button a couple times until you go to middle waves. Once, twice.
Bluetooth mode.
Now Bluetooth is activated on the radio. Let's go to our cell phone. Turn on the Bluetooth. Here it is.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
All you have to do now, play any music you have on your phone. How cool is that, huh? When you want to back to regular radio, simply press the band button again. And you're back to FM mode. Very easy to use. Thumbs up.